Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2000 125 Mercury 20-inch. This is remote. It came back compression at 130 psi on all 4 cylinders. It does come with a prop, new spark plugs, new impeller, clean the fuel system, new lower unit lube, pressure tested the lower unit was good. Yep, carburetors are cleaned. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. I will have to turn the fan on. It is a 2-stroke and we are running winter mix. Good water's pumping out. Put it in forward. Back neutral. Reverse. Back neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. Tilt and trim's working good. Empty out half the tank here. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.